Hi guys, I'm Juan here at Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. See me decked out in this amazing jersey and hat that I did get from lids.com. Um, is because I'm going to my first official Yankees game. Yay! I've been in New York for about 2 years now, and I've yet to enjoy, but obviously no one's really enjoying uh, anything because of the pandemic. But this will be my first baseball game in over 2 years, and I'm really excited because back in California, from San Diego, I used to go to Padre games a lot. I had a very generous student who would give me some tickets for like a Sunday, and I'd sit in some nice premier seating behind the home base, and it was just nice. I just like ballparks. I don't know what it's about. I just, even though as a full-fledged homosexual, I just enjoy the ambiance of being at America's favorite pastime. And it's just maybe it's just the day drinking, and maybe just the day drinking, and the VIP perks that I had experienced. But I like these. Like I never really got into. First of all, these are not cheap, so I can see why I never really got into them. But since collecting Loungefly and beyond, it's just now like who cares what it costs? you know, it doesn't matter if you, your income does not equate your wants. But again, there's multiple ways of achieving what you want, and I'm really happy that I was able to achieve this. However, this outfit would not be complete without, of course, an exclusive MLB Loungefly, and I am so excited, so excited to share the Loungefly that's going to complete this outfit. Yes, you heard that. There is a Yankees Loungefly. So, I was able to find it at Sure Thing Toys. Shout out to Sure Thing Toys for having what I needed. Across the board, this bag is actually really difficult to find. They had cheapest had was on eBay, but I still am sketched about eBay. Sorry, eBay. Sorry to this man, but I just figured like, no, let me go ahead and not try to cheap out and see where I can get this amazing bag. Oh my gosh. Now, let me be clear. This bag is not included in my 20 because for me, this is actually going to be, I will use this bag actually in real life day-to-day. It's not going to be just for display. I will get use out of this bag. Okay, shout out to the nice packing, Sure Thing Toys. Good job. Appreciate you. I really wish they had a bag for the Padres. I'd get it in a heartbeat. Okay, well, I love it. It has the tag. That's the official Major League Baseball logo. You can't say MLB. I don't know what's going on with Loungefly. Okay, you do. You do your thing. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Not only are we repping New York, you have the pinstripes, classic pinstripes that you see me wearing. Look how this is good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cool. Okay, so the better part of the element here is that yes, it does have side pockets. No, just kidding. It doesn't have side pockets, so I think that's like the only downside to this bag. But outside of it, like here's where the nameplate is. This is cool. This is legit. I love this nameplate. But I was gonna say, if you can tell, there's embossed New York. It's like set in, and it's just so cool. It's just a very classic Loungefly. And it has beautiful blue. And I love the straps. Oh my gosh. Look at these straps. Say Yankees. It's so cool. Let's see here. Now I'm not going to show you the inside lining of the core because I've just come to the decision that it's too much work and I don't like bending the bag to like show you the inside. I think that's super cringe when I see people do that, and I'm just like not going to be one of them. I'm sorry. But more power to you for doing that, but I just, no, I don't want to jeopardize the integrity of the bag shape for all that business. This is beautiful. I'm so sorry. Let me continue. So the bag obviously is simple. It has the classic pinstripe with the beautiful blue. It's super classy. Like I can comfortably walk with this bag and people will be like, where'd you get that? I need that bag. And I'm like, of course you do, because a lot of people here, I've never seen this bag we walked around with. So I'm really interested to go to this game and see how many other people are going to be rocking this bag. But I don't care. It's very popular. It's really hard to find online, so I know people really do enjoy this bag. So, so in addition to the bag, excuse the moi, of course, I got a matching wallet. So the website, I don't know if it had the wallet or I had to search it differently. I kind of was annoyed when if I go back and they actually did have the wallet. But this wallet was hard to find. But you know who had this wallet? Loungefly.com. And you know what they had it for? On sale. Normally these wallets go for $40. So it was on sale for $30. So I appreciate the savings. Look at her. Yes, this is so cute. It has the Yankee logo. So this is essentially, this print here is all over inside the core. So you don't really need to see the inside because this is what the inside looks like. It has this pattern all over it, okay? And then it has the New York logo there. Opens up. And I like it zip around, so they're like, they made it extra hard for you to break into this wallet. Okay, so on the inside of the wallet, you get a different pattern here. This pattern is not in the bag. Like, again, this is in the bag. But the cutout here in the wallet is like a base, on the bases, which is pretty cool. And this is very simple, very white inside, so make sure your hands are clean when you're rummaging through here. But I needed it. You know me. If it has a wallet, I need to have the wallet. So, I mean, this is so good. This is so good. I'm looking forward to this day. I'm going to be going to work, changing right after, getting on that express train up to the Bronx, and heading up Yankee Stadium in my gear. I mean, this is so great. This is so great. I am so happy. Thank you so much for joining me. This is a very quick video. I just wanted to share some personal joy that I will be experiencing very, very soon. Do you have this bag? Are you an MLB fan? Do you have a favorite team that you support? Are you into sports? Do you not really care about sports? But will you go anyway to support your friends? Please let me know in the comments down below. Do you have this bag? I don't know if I asked that already. Do you have any other bags? Please let me know. I'd love to see them. Again, thank you so much for joining me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, there's like a bunch of you that are watching my videos that are so new, but you're not actually subscribing. So please help me out. Please grow my channel. It's free. Just hit it like, and then the subscribe, the thing. You just do that, and then you don't ever have to look at another video again if you don't want to. But I guarantee you'll want to, because we do amazing stuff here. So be safe. Tell somebody that you love them, because tomorrow is never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.